In 2020, twice as many people bought electric bikes than electric cars. Electric bikes were especially popular with slightly older people returning to cycling after years of giving up with a normal pedal cycle. And there's one type of electric bike that has proven to be super popular, and that's the folding bike. Meet the Engwe EP2-Pro. This is Engwe's latest bike, and it's proved to be super popular. So join me today on an adventure where I introduce the Engwe EP2-Pro to a first-time electric bike rider. Engwe sent us their EP2-Pro bike for review. We live in the south of France, and Engwe shipped the bike from their EU distribution headquarters in Poland. Thanks to excellent delivery, it only took 1 day to arrive. It of course came in a very big box, and our first job was to unpack it. The folding bike was easy to put together. With clear instructions written in English, it actually comes almost complete. All you need to do is put on the front wheel, the mudguard and pedals, and the rear rack. Once complete, we were ready to go.
This is a great Christmas present. I mean, it's an e-bike from Engwe. It's fabulous looking. I can't wait to try it. It's been forever since I've ridden regularly. I've got knee issues, so being a little bit older, this is like I can carry the dog behind me and can go anywhere. It's amazing. It's really kind of cool. I can't wait to try it. Okay, this is it. This is the Engwe e-bike. It looks really fantastic. It's the first time I've ever ridden an e-bike. I'm a little nervous, but I have a feeling I'm really gonna like it. So I have a helmet on, just in case somebody's coming in and it's gonna crash into me. Okay, I'm about to get on my Engwe EP2-Pro bike. So here goes. Oh, wow! My goodness. Wow, it just really makes it easy. Whew. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, now I'm ready for a little bit more speed.
Dorothy soon got the hang of the e-bike and found it super easy to ride.
Zip, zip, zippy. Whoa. I have to say, it's pretty cool. Going through these two molehills. Gotta go around the other way. This is pretty amazing. Super easy. Crazy easy. Wow. Okay, coming in for landing. This is like the first time on an e-bike. It's an Engwe. I've never even been on an electric scooter or a motorcycle or a Vespa or anything. This is like the perfect bike when you're really kind of beyond the Tour de France days. You're retired from Tour de France and you just want to have a boatload of fun. This is great. It's the Engwe e-bike. God, I had no idea. So much fun.
The EP2-Pro comes with 5 levels of pedal assist. Its powerful rear hub motor making it very easy for a beginner to ride.
Super zippy. The Engwe bike is really nice. Super fun. It's really fun, especially for someone like me who hasn't ridden forever. This is on a level 3. I had it on 2. 3 gives me more zip. Whew.
As a first-time e-bike rider, Dorothy found this Engwe model super easy and super fun to ride.
So much fun to ride this. That's the Engwe EP2-Pro bike. Yay! It makes it so easy because I have a hard time riding a bike with my knees. And now I can ride up a hill. I have to go try it up a steep hill right away. But man, this is a lot of fun and definitely something to take up when you're, don't want to race. Start. Boom. Whoa, cool.
But Dorothy has another exciting plan for her newfound skill on an e-bike, and that is taking the dogs for a ride.
This is Oumuamua. He's named after the Scout Interstellar item that got named from the Hawaiian telescope. We just call him Mua because it's faster, and he responds really well to food. He's a pretty big dog, so I would like very much to take him with me to places, but he's too big to carry on a regular bike. Given that now we have an Engwe electric bike, we can have a trailer behind it and carry a 20-kilo dog if he fits in and goes in with a treat. Okay, Mua, here it goes. Ooh, it's in there. You got to go in. Come on. Hey, success. Hopefully we can carry 2 dogs, but we're going to try with a heavy one. And we'll see. He can put his little head out and enjoy the ride because he really likes that. Uh-oh. I don't know. I'm afraid he might not come out, but here you go. You can put your head out here. There we go. You get a little air. There you go, Moo. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay. Let's go. Let's take this for a spin. Woo! Are you there, Mua?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a breeze. Oh, he loves it. Bonjour.
Mua the dog seems to like the e-bike as much as Dorothy. He checked out all the sights in our town in southwest France. Pulling a trailer with a 20-kilogram dog does not seem to be a problem for the Engwe e-bike. Mua the dog in his trailer and the Engwe e-bike will be a regular sight in our town in France.
That was amazingly fun. So easy, so fun. I had no idea it would be that much fun. This Engwe made it all possible. I would never have been able to ride it. Look at this, just boop, done. And look at this. Mua, you were so happy. You were so happy and you were so good. Thank goodness for an electric bike because I could never pull you with a normal bike. Electric bikes are the wave of the future for dog running, huh? Hey, Mua, you want another treat? You are so good, huh? So good. Look at these healthy treats. Yay. Good boy. What a perfect boy. Next time we'll take your sister now that we know that we can ride this electric bike with you on the back. You ready? We go. Andale. Poop, 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 poop. Okay. See you around.
As Dorothy heads off for another adventure, why don't you head over to the Engwe Bike website and check out their latest deal on this fabulous folding bike.